Today, I'll show how to buy shares of FedEx Corporation, a global logistics and delivery company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FDX. This is an educational walkthrough explaining the basics only, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate registration. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FDX to find the FedEx listing. Make sure you select the entry that matches FedEx Corporation on the NASDAQ exchange. On the asset page, you can see basic company information and a live price chart, which helps confirm you have the correct FedEx stock. Double-check the ticker FDX and the exchange before proceeding. Choose the investor buy option, enter the amount you want to invest, then review order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a market on open type, depending on the platform. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Once executed, your FedEx position will appear in your portfolio. For a direct link to the example platform, check the description below.